Welcome students. So, in this period we are going to study about the histology of testis. You know that histology or the histological structure, that is the internal structure. So, internal structure of any organ, it is studied either by taking the LS, that is the longitudinal section, ज्याला आपण उभा छेद म्हणतो. कालच्या तासात आपण बघितला LS of testis आपण बघितला. ओके. Now this is the TS of testis, that is the transverse section. The transverse section म्हणजे आडवा छेद आहे, longitudinal section LS म्हणजे उभा छेद आहे. Okay, so this is about the TS of testis, and you know that the outer layer of the testis, that is the tunica albuginea, and in the last period I had told you that tunica albuginea actually divides here the testis into many compartments or chambers called as lobules, and in each lobule actually 200 to 300 lobules are there. I have told you in the last period. Okay, and each lobule contains 1 to 4 seminiferous tubules. So, actually see here 3 seminiferous tubules, they are shown in this diagram. Each seminiferous tubule actually internally it is lined by cuboidal germinal epithelium. In the last year we have studied about the epithelial tissue. You know that different types of the epithelial tissues are there as per the shape the name is given. So, here cube like cells are there. So, this is called as cuboidal epithelium. If column like cell are there, then that type of epithelium is called as columnar epithelium. Okay. So, here the cells are cuboidal. So, this is called as cuboidal germinal epithelium. So, here internally each seminiferous tubule it is lined by cuboidal germinal epithelium and some conical shaped cells. See here the reddish color shown in this diagram. These conical shaped cells, they are called as Sertoli cells. So, they are pyramid like or conical in shape. They are also called as sustentacular cells. Okay. So, these are the nourishing cells. They provide nourishment to the developing stages of the sperms. So, they help in the process of spermatogenesis by providing the nourishment. Okay. Now, here in this blue color, here 3 to 4 layers of the cells they are shown. Actually, these are the developmental stages of the spermatogenesis. Okay. Now, see here in the center these tailed structures, these are the sperms. Okay. And here you can observe the sperms, they are attached to the Sertoli cells, sperms. So, sperm bundles you can observe, sperm bundles they are attached to the Sertoli cell. कशासाठी? To obtain the nourishment. Okay, because Sertoli cells are nourishing cells. So, here these are the sperms in the center of the seminiferous tubule. Okay. Now, you know that the same seminiferous tubules actually they are tube like. Now, you know tube, as the tube is coiled, seminiferous tubules here such type of seminiferous tubules are there, coiled structures are there. See here when you take the TS, such type of oval structure we will get. Okay, as this is a tube like, this is seminiferous tubule. पण त्याचा जर आडवा छेद आपण घेतला तर अशी आपल्याला गोल डिस्क मिळेल की नाही, आणि ही गोल डिस्क म्हणजे अशी आहे. म्हणजे ही जी ट्यूब आहे सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब आहे ना, त्याच्या आतमध्ये अशी रचना आहे. लक्षात येते तुमच्या? अशा प्रकारे इथे 3 सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबल जे आहेत ते दाखवलेले आहेत. नाउ सी हिअर in between the seminiferous tubules, in between the seminiferous tubules there are some special type of the cells. See here these are the cells may occur in groups. So, these cells are called as interstitial cells or Leydig cells, interstitial cell or Leydig cell. And here these are also the important cells because these cells they secrete male sex hormone that is called as androgen, either androgen or testosterone. Okay, student. So, see here interstitial cells I have written here or Leydig cells, they secrete the male sex hormone androgen, or it is also called as testosterone. And Sertoli cells, or they are also called as sustentacular cells, and they provide nutrition or nourishment to the developing stages of sperms. Developing stages of sperms. Okay, student. Now we will see about the process of gametogenesis. Okay. So you know that gamete formation, that is the gametogenesis, as there are two types of the gametes, male gametes and female gametes. So male gametes are sperm, hence the gametogenesis in male, it is called as spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis, that is the formation of sperms. So we will see how now the sperms are formed inside the seminiferous tubule. So see here, I will show you a structure like this. Here, suppose this is the basement membrane, basement membrane of the seminiferous tubule, on which such type of cuboidal epithelial cells are arranged. Okay, suppose these are cuboidal epithelial cells, and here conical Sertoli cells are also present in the lining of the seminiferous tubule. So what happens here, during spermatogenesis, these epithelial cells, they produce spermatogonia. आता मी इथे एकच सेल दाखवते, इथे अनेक सेल तयार होतात. ओके, सपोज दिस फर्स्ट लाइन. ओके, अशा प्रकारे. So these germinal epithelial cell, they gives rise to spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. Now spermatogonia, they are also called as sperm mother cell. They are also called as sperm mother cells. So sperm mother cells, they are formed from the germinal epithelium. Okay, so this is germinal epithelium. Now this spermatogonia develops into primary spermatocytes. Okay, so these are primary spermatocytes. So here, remember, spermatogonia, these are diploid in nature, having 2n number of chromosomes. Primary spermatocytes, these are also having 2n number of chromosomes, that is 2 sets of chromosomes are there, but later on the primary spermatocyte undergo reduction division, that is called as meiosis. So you know that meiosis is a reduction division, and it produces secondary spermatocyte. It develops into secondary spermatocyte, and now due to meiosis, okay, the number of chromosomes, they are reduced to half. So only one set of chromosome is there in the secondary spermatocyte. So it is denoted as only 1n. 1n means haploid condition. So secondary spermatocytes, they are haploid, primary spermatocytes are diploid. Okay, student. Now these secondary spermatocyte, they produce spermatid. Spermatid is there, and now this spermatid develops into motile sperms. So see here, what is difference between spermatid and sperm? This is the sperm, no doubt, having n number of chromosomes. So this sperm, it is also called as spermatozoa, one and the same. So no doubt it is also haploid, n number, spermatozoa or sperm. त्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण शुक्राणू म्हणतो. So spermatozoa or sperm. Okay, so here in this way spermatogonia or sperm mother cell gives rise to primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte gives rise to secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte gives rise to spermatid, and spermatid develops into spermatozoa. And see here, now these sperms which are tailed structure. So difference between spermatid and spermatozoa is that sperms are nothing but these are tailed, म्हणजे त्याला टेल असणारे spermatid आहेत. जास्त काही दोघांमध्ये फरक नाही आहे. सो दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज टेल्ड स्पर्मॅटिड. ओके, नाव इन दिस वे दीज आर द स्टेजेस ऑफ स्पर्मॅटोजेनेसिस. स्टेजेस ऑफ स्पर्मॅटोजेनेसिस. इथे हे दिसतात हे तसे स्ट्रक्चर आहे पहा. म्हणजे हा जर्मिनल इपिथेलियम आहे की नाही, त्याच्या पुढे तुम्ही म्हणू शकता इथं स्पर्मॅटोगोनी आहेत, त्याच्या पुढे प्रायमरी स्पर्मॅटोसाइट तयार झाला, त्याच्या पुढे सेकंडरी तयार झाला, सेकंडरीच्या पुढे स्पर्मॅटिड तयार झाला आणि स्पर्मॅटिडपासून असे स्पर्म तयार झाले. आणि हे जे स्पर्म्स आहेत हे नंतर कुठे जातात, या सर्टोली सेलकडे जातात अन्न मिळविण्यासाठी. ओके, अशा प्रकारे हे स्पर्म जे आहे त्याचे प्रोडक्शन इथं झालेलं आहे. आणि कालच्या तासात मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की हे जे स्पर्म्स आता इथं तयार झाले की नाही सेमिनिफेरस ट्युब्युल्समध्ये. ओके, मग ते रेटेड टेस्टिसकडे जातात, रेटेड टेस्टिसमधून व्हासा इफ्रेन्शियाकडे जातात, व्हासा इफ्रेन्शियामधून इपिडिडायमिसमध्ये जातात. मग आधी कॅपूट इपिडिडेमिस, नंतर कार्पस, नंतर कावडा इपिडिडेमिस, तुम्हाला आठवत असेल कालची सिक्वेन्स. आणि नंतर मग ते व्हास डेफरन्समध्ये जातात. ओके, मग व्हास डेफरन्समधून नंतर वर जाऊन मग ते युरेथ्राच्याद्वारे जे आहे ते सिमनच्याद्वारे मग ते शरीराच्या बाहेर टाकले जातात. अशा प्रकारे हा जो आर्टिकल आहे तो आहे हिस्टॉलॉजी ऑफ द टेस्टिस. सो हिअर वी कंप्लीट इन डिटेल द male reproductive system. Okay, in the next period we will study about the female reproductive system. Okay student, so if you like such type of videos then like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay student, goodbye.